In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add domains and host multiple websites on single DigitalOcean Droplet. By the end, you'll have a single server set up on DigitalOcean and the domains you need routed to it so you can serve multiple sites from one place. Start by signing into your DigitalOcean dashboard. From the left sidebar or the top navigation, open the projects area. If you already have a project for this work, you can use it. If not, this is a good moment to create a new project to keep your infrastructure tidy. A clean project makes it easier to manage resources, billing, and team access later on. Inside your project, head to the Resources view. This is the central place where you'll see droplets, volumes, networking, and more. Click Create Droplet to spin up the server that will host your websites. Next, choose a region. Pick the one geographically closest to most of your visitors to reduce latency and speed up your sites. After that, select a specific data center within that region. Any of the data centers in the same region will work. You can choose the default unless you have a reason to prefer a different one. For the image, select the operating system you want to run. Ubuntu LTS is a reliable, widely supported choice for web servers, and it works great with common stacks like Nginx or Apache. Sticking with a stable LTS release helps ensure security updates and long-term compatibility. Now choose your droplet size. Think about your expected traffic and the applications you'll run. If you're just getting started or hosting small to medium sites, a modest plan is usually fine, and you can scale up later. Consider RAM and disk as much as CPU. Databases and build tools can use more memory than you expect. You'll also see CPU options. General purpose is great for most web workloads. CPU optimized can help if you do a lot of compilation or heavy computation. For typical multiple website hosting, general purpose is a sensible default. If you anticipate needing more space than the Droplet's built-in disk, you can plan for additional storage with volumes. Keeping application data on a volume can make migrations easier later, but it's optional and you can add it in the future. Backups are available as a paid toggle. Turning them on gives you automatic snapshots you can restore from if something goes wrong. Even if you use your own backup strategy, enabling this here can save time during an emergency. For authentication, choose an SSH key rather than a password for secure access. If you don't already have an SSH key on your account, add one locally and then attach it to the droplet. Keep your private key safe and never share it. In the Finalize Details section, name your droplet something descriptive, optionally add tags, and review any monitoring or additional features you want enabled. Take a quick moment to confirm everything looks correct, then click Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will provision your server in a minute or two. With your droplet ready, go to the Create menu at the top of the dashboard and open the Domain DNS option. Choose Add a Domain. Enter the domain you want to point to this project, select the project you've been working in, and add the domain. If your domain is registered elsewhere, remember that your registrar's name servers need to point to DigitalOcean's name servers for DigitalOcean DNS to manage your records. If they don't, you can still manage DNS at your registrar, but you'll create equivalent A records there pointing to your droplet's public IP. When adding the domain in DigitalOcean, you'll be able to associate it with the droplet's IP so traffic is routed correctly. Repeat the domain addition for each website you plan to host on this droplet. Each domain can later map to separate apps or directories on your server using virtual hosts in your web server configuration. As a tip, consider setting up a bare domain and a subdomain, and think about adding basic records like MX or TXT later if you need email or verification. That's it. You've created a DigitalOcean droplet, added your domains in the project, and laid the groundwork to host multiple websites on a single server. In your next configuration session, you'll point each domain to the right app on the droplet and secure everything with HTTPS.